Hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make some fresh waffles, which will be nicely complemented by some streaky bacon, sausages, and my very favorite homemade blueberry compote. Well, if it's your first time today, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all of my newest upload. Thank you. Here are the ingredients you'll be needing to make about 10 to 12 waffles. I'll start off with the dry ingredients first. And now for the wet ingredients. At this stage, I'll add the dry ingredients, all of it onto the wet ingredients, and mix them all together. You should notice that the batter is beginning to bubble around the edges. Then you know that's ready. You'll need a waffle maker, a little bit of oil, and just pour in about 40 ml per waffle. I'll set my timer to 8 minutes, which is when the waffle will be ready. Just continue the same process until you've made all the waffles and finished up the batter. Meanwhile, I'll get my streaky bacon and sausages ready to be grilled. Put it in the grill for about 12 minutes. And for my blueberry compote, you'll need about 200 grams of blueberry, a little tiny drop of water, half squeeze of a lemon, and 20 grams of sugar. Just cover it and let it simmer down. Once it's slightly thick, then you know it's ready. Well, make sure you allow it to cool down completely before pouring it into a jar. In no time at all, food is ready to serve. You should just smell the sweet, sweet smell of freshly baked waffles all over the house. It is super delicious and so amazing. Well, I hope you thoroughly enjoyed cooking with me today. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all of my latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching and for cooking along with me today. I'll see you again next Friday. Goodbye. Thank you.